Meals on Wheels got a one-day name change today as mayors Barry Sharp and Dave Augustine hit the road to participate in the Mayors for Meals event. Who is Meals on Wheels for?
It's for anyone that requires a meal, whether it's short-term meals, people released from hospital, anyone living alone, unable to cook for themselves.
So it's not just for seniors.
We service seniors and adults with disabilities.
Now, today's a special day because it's Mayors for Meals. What is that all about?
Mayors for Meals started in the States. Meals on Wheels of America came up with the idea to have the mayors deliver meals so that we could focus on loneliness, isolation, and sometimes hunger that the seniors are facing.
Both mayors were happy to take part and were quick to praise the volunteers who make this service possible day after day.
Personally, I get a better understanding of what some key volunteers in our community do and how they work together with folks in our community. I also get a better understanding of the community need that's out there and the sort of a bit of a barometer of maybe part of the community that one doesn't normally see. Folks that get Meals on Wheels aren't the ones that come out to the public meetings necessarily at Town Hall, for instance. But they are those in need who need a nutritious meal in the middle of the day, and it's a great service that Meals on Wheels provides.
And I'm happy to be here as mayor of the city of Welland every year, just to show my support for the program, and in particular, Brenda, to show my support for the volunteers who do this every single week, not just once a year like I do.
Yes, they're very impressive, aren't they?
Yeah, it really is a special commitment to be part of the Meals on Wheels volunteer group and to give up a big part of your day to make somebody else's day not only a little bit brighter because there's a friendly face coming by, but also to ensure that they have a healthier life because they're getting a good, nutritious meal on a regular basis.
For many seniors, the daily contact with the volunteers is as vital as the meal left behind.
Well, I had an operation 2 years ago, and my daughter said, "Why don't you get Meals on Wheels?" So I said, okay. So I tried them, and I have them since. So
You like the food?
Oh, yeah. I like it, and I like the people that delivers, and it's nice to have them come in.
You know what? The volunteers that do this are wonderful. They deliver in the sleet and the snow, in the hot and the cold. There's not enough words to say how wonderful they are and the dedication that they put through every single day of the year.
And I'm sure they're getting a lot from it.
They do. They do. There's a lot of volunteers that have a relationship with the clients. They get to know the clients because they see them on a regular basis and they care for them. These are people that look forward to that daily visit. Sometimes it's the only visit they have.
Do you see Mayors for Meals continuing in the future?
I would love to see it continue. It's a great opportunity to get the news out to the community to make sure that everyone is aware of the availability of the program.
In Welland, reporting for The Source, I'm Brenda Schultz.